Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters vcode of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Python topic today. It is very important and simple topic. It is dictionary. We are gonna take a look at dictionary and it won't be the simple dictionary. If you don't know the basics of dictionary, you can take a look at our previous videos. We have covered the dictionaries twice or thrice on this channel in Python. So you may take a look at it. So it won't be a simple version of dictionary, it will be kind of like difficult one. So if you don't know the basics, yeah, as I said, you can just take a look at the video. So what we'll do today is let's start with an example. I am creating a dictionary, I am naming it count and I'm leaving it empty for the moment. Okay, so now I want to add some data to count, so let's do it. So as you can see, I added some data to it. So yeah, you can see over here, like I have defined the values of 4, 2, 1 in a tuple like twice. Once it is 7 and next time it is 2. So what will happen is, let's see. The best way of seeing what will happen is to execute the program. Okay, so let's print out our dictionary. And if we run this 4, 2, 1, it is assigned the value of 2, which is defined letter. No, it won't get the. It will assign the value 7, but it will change to 2 as soon as we get to this step. Okay. What I will do today is I wanna add these numbers together, like 5, 6, and 2. I wanna add this number. So how can I do that? It is kind of difficult to do it. So I'll just tell you a simpler approach for doing that. Is like I'm defining a variable. Let's call it tot or total in number. Okay, and the value of it is equal to 0, and I'm using a for loop. So yeah, so a for loop will work like this. So I in count, and let's add the value of ith member of count to this token. So for that, total plus equal to count token. Yeah, so as you can see, if I run this code, I'll get the value of total. It won't get printed, but yeah, my computer it'll calculate the value of total, which will be 5 plus 6 plus 2. It is equal to 13. Okay, and what I'm trying to do is like, what if I do something like this? If I try to find out the length of count, will it be equal to 4, as you can see, or will it be equal to 3 because I have defined 4, 2, 1 twice. So what should it be? So you try to figure out what should be answering this following case. You have 5 seconds to pause the video and post your answer in the comment section. Okay, if we try to run our code, you can see it is printing out 16. What do you think the length of count is? It is obviously equal to 3 because as soon as we redefine the value of 4, 2, 1, then the Python simply forgets this thing. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also rewind the video, take and look at it. You can also take a look at our previous videos. We have more than 125 videos on our channel. And yeah, join our WhatsApp groups. You can also ask your doubts over there. We have a very good community of our WhatsApp groups. We have like 11 WhatsApp groups currently running. So yeah, till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.